from the university itself. This time we have crossed 250. So I hope many of them will be joining. So we had to buy a Google account for that because our system supports only 100. I hope this is the first time any online webinar where we'll be crossing 100 in the university. So we had to purchase for 1-2 weeks, we had to purchase the license from Google. Thank you all, and hope you will be having a great workshop.
इनका हेड कौन है?
Thank you very much, HOD sir, for your welcome address. We have the opportunity to have Dean Arts and Commerce, Professor Chandrika Basu Majumdar Madam, though we could not have Dean Science sir. So with this, may I request Chandrika Madam, Dean Arts and Commerce, for your kind words towards the participant. Please, ma'am.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, good afternoon. Shanirbhar, Alok, and members of IT department. I have been watching your performance in academic activities, and I appreciate this attempt and this webinar. I think this is very significant in the sense that it will teach our new research scholars about the tools and strategies for doing PhD work. And another thing, this is an opportunity for receiving so many resources for persons are there from outside. I think it will be very, very useful for the beginners in the research work. And personally, I am grateful for to the members of the IT, faculty members, IT department, for giving me this opportunity. And I will try my best to give some, to be present in future sessions also. I wish all the success of the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, madam. Your kind words always gives us the enthusiasm and energy to continue with the same level, with the same energy level. It is not possible to organize any event without the support of the highest authority of any institute. So our in this regard, our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir has always supported us and suggested any modification whenever required. We are very much fortunate that sir has joined us in this inauguration session. May I kindly request our Vice Chancellor sir to address the participants, please, sir.
Thank you, Professor Chandrika Basu Majumdar, Dean, Faculty of Arts and Commerce, Tripura University. Dr. Shanirbhar Majumdar, Head Department of IT, Tripura University. Dr. Alok Roy, Coordinator of this webinar. Mr. Jayant Pal, also another coordinator of this webinar. Other faculty members of the Department of IT, Tripura University. Participants, scholars, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all of you, and at the same time I will convey my heartfelt greetings to all of you. I also welcome Professor Paramirtha Datta from Vishwabharati, who is one of the resource persons of this webinar. I also welcome Ashok Kumar Ray from Arunachal Pradesh, Shri G. Ram Sundar, who is from Department of IT, Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, far from Agartala, Shri Jayanta Basu, CDSE, Kolkata, Shri Shakti Dev Burma, Senior System Analyst, Tripura University, Dr. Subir Kumar Sen, he is also our faculty from Department of Commerce, Dr. Samrat Goswami from Department of Rural Studies, Tripura University, Dr. Bishanka Bratta Bhaumik, he is also from Tripura University, Dr. Sanjay Chakraborty is from Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar College, and other resource persons who will be taking classes in this webinar. When I come to know about the topic, which is emerging tools and technology in research, and it is mainly for postgraduate student, PhD research scholar, and also faculty members for Tripura University as well as from outside Tripura also. Coming to the topic, I like this topic because I feel that this is very, very important and necessary topics. That is emerging tools and technology in research. We do research in art, science, commerce, engineering, agriculture, medical, everywhere. After post-graduation, we do research. And also, university is mainly for teaching and research. Two activities are very, very important and for which university has been established in India and all over the country. That is teaching as well as research. So research is very, very important component, and output of research, finding of research, quality of research depend on the faculty member who will do research. And if we have to assess an institutions of higher education in India, that is mainly university, we have to see, generally people will see the output of research. What type of research is being done by research scholar of the university and also faculty members. We teachers are also students. Even after becoming teacher, we do research continuously. Mainly research is done for PhD degree. After that, when you become assistant professor, associate professor, even professor, even senior professor also, we have to do research regularly. We cannot say that now I am professor, I will not research, I will not do research. Then he cannot do any further work. So what I mean to tell here is that research is the most important activity of a university, and this is being done by, this is being carried by research scholar as well as faculty member. Now question comes, what are the method of research? There are certain methods, we have to follow those methods. And also these methods are changing frequently. Say, for example, when I did research for my PhD degree, nearly 35 years ago, that time the research methodology and research technology was different. I am telling that I did not see computer and laptop when I was doing research for PhD degree 35 years ago. Now, without computer, without laptop, without website, without internet, we do not do research. We have studied statistics as a compulsory paper, but the technique which we are using in statistics, for example, SPSS and other things, were not used during those days. The technology of research are being changed frequently. These are upgraded. The research methodology, the research technology, which were used by research scholar of 10 years before, is no more relevant today. Every year, we find, we carry on new type of research with new formulae, new methodology, new technology. Therefore, from time to time, we need to know, we need to learn what are the latest technology for doing research. The research methodology, research technology is not necessary only for research scholar. It is equally necessary, equally important for teachers, including professors and senior professor also. Therefore, considering the importance of research methodology and research scholars, the Department of Information Technology, Tripura University, has already organized first and second such webinar before this year. And this year again, they are organizing from today, third 1 week national workshop on emerging tools and technology in research. This year, because of COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to do offline classes. Therefore, we are doing through online mode. Even in online mode also, we can teach our scholar, our resource persons who are from different parts of India, will be delivering lectures on the topic. Now here, I like to suggest our participant from Tripura University as well as from outside Tripura also that you are listening, we are looking in your laptop, in your computer, what the topic is being taught by resource person. But in the meantime, you may not understand what is being fully taught. Therefore, I like to suggest the organizer, the coordinators, that to give some time for asking question to those participants who do not understand, because I know that these tools and technology of research which will be taught in this program by the IT department are all related to statistics tools only. And it is not easy to understand all the statistical tools. So if we simply do one way, practice one way teaching, and if the participant do not understand what is being taught by the resource person, then it may not be useful for them. Because if somebody teaches and if I do not understand, if we do not understand, then it is unnecessary spending of time, energy and money. Therefore, I like to suggest the organizer that as soon as the lecture program are over, let us give some time for asking questionnaire, for doubt clearance to the participant also. Let the participant of this webinar be encouraged to ask question if they do not understand which is being taught by the resource persons. If the participant understand fully what is being taught, then only the program will become success. Therefore, I wish that this program be conducted very nicely. I thank the Department of IT, though there are only few faculty members, all are assistant professors only, but I found them very active and they have chosen a very right topic at right time for the benefit of our faculty and scholars. I congratulate them for selecting such a wonderful topic, very, very important topic for the benefit of scholar and teacher. And I wish that this program completes successfully. With these few observations, I am happy to inaugurate this third one-week national workshop on emerging tools and technology and research. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, and we'll try to cope up with all the advices and suggestions has been raised from your kind side, and we can ensure that we'll keep all those to improve ourselves in the future events also. As you have rightly pointed that the research is not limited to the PG students or PhD scholars. It is also equally important for the faculty members also, including the senior professors. So that is our main aim, that in each and every step in the field of research, it is updating. So to get updated ourselves and for the scholars also, that is the main motto of our this such program. So thank you very much. Now, may I request the coordinator, Dr. Alok Roy, to deliver the board.
Respected Professor Ganga Prasad Prasin, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tripura University, Professor Sukanta Banik, Dean Faculty of Science, Professor Chandrika Basu Majumdar, Dean Faculty of Arts and Commerce, organizers, participants from India and abroad, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great privilege for me to extend a vote of thanks to all those who have contributed in one way or the other way to make this third one-week national workshop on emerging tools and technologies in research a success. I, Dr. Alok Roy, on behalf of Department of IT Fraternity, would like to express my gratitude to Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Ganga Prasad Prasin, for his kind consent and gracious presence on this occasion. You have always supported and motivated us from very beginning. Thank you, sir. I express my heartful thanks to Professor Chandrika Basu Majumdar, Dean Faculty of Arts and Commerce, for her kind presence in the inaugural ceremony. I express my gratitude to Dr. Shanibhar Majumdar, Head Department of IT, for his valuable contribution and encouragement in all our efforts. My special thanks goes to dear colleague Jayant Pal, Joint Coordinator of this workshop, for his effortless hard work to ensure that this workshop become a memorable success. Also, I owe special gratitude to all the members of the organizing committee from the Department of IT, CSE, Electronics, Electrical, for their support. I also acknowledge all the non-teaching staff for their support. Especially, I would like to thank our internal speakers and external speakers from different universities and colleges for consenting their talk. My gratitude also goes to all the 182 registered participants who are selected from 273 applicants from India and abroad for accepting the invitation, because without their acceptance to conduct this workshop is not possible. Once again, thank you all for your kind attention. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for delivering the vote of thanks. Now, with the permission from the chair, our honorable vice chancellor, sir, we may conclude this inauguration session. Sir, please permit us.
Yeah, let us conclude. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for the
Thank-
success of the program. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
When the next session will be beginning? When
Madam,
will
it
start?
is 2:45. The first session is going to start from 2:45.
It will be on latex.
Same- Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
Professor Paramartha Datta from Vishwavarti University will be taking care of latex.
2:45.
2:45,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay,
The same link, madam.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'd like to request all the participants to kindly be with us while the next speaker joins us, and it is scheduled to be start from 2:45 p.m. Thank you very much.